Okay, so, well, thank you very much, everyone, for coming today for this workshop on AI and sustainability, our people-centered approach. My name is Arshdeep Singh. I'm a research fellow in AI for Sound project, a sustainability fellow and co-lead in AI sustainability program within Institute for Sustainability. I also hold UK Acoustic Network early career acoustic champion post for AI and data. So first of all, I would like to thank my organizing team, Professor Mark Plumbley and Dr. Eric, for their suggestions and efforts to make this event possible to organize. And my event organizing team, Dr. Thomas Deacon, Gabriel Biboha, Helio, and James King, who are helping today this workshop. And our sponsors, Institute of Advanced Studies, People-Centered AI Institute, Center for Vision, Speech, and Signal Processing, UKRI funder, EPSRC project AI for Sound, and for Sustainability for sponsoring this event. On behalf of our sponsors, I welcome everyone online and in-person attendees. So the workshop theme is on AI and sustainability. Today, we're going to see how AI is being used for sustainable applications, and also the other side of AI, which is on how does AI models impact the environment, and methods, tools to measure this AI impact on environment, and also how academic researchers and industrial people will see this cruciality of exploring the other side of AI. So we're going to explore AI for sustainability and sustainability of AI in both ways. Yeah. And the pillar behind this workshop theme is threefold, fourfold. The first one is Surrey's Center for Vision, Speech, and Signal Processing, which is a world-leading research center on fundamental AI, providing AI-related experts. And the idea of opening a new Surrey Institute for People-Centered AI, which was launched in 21, with an approach of putting people at the heart of AI. So it's not about using AI for any application, but considering people's need first with people-centric approach. And People-Centered AI Institute brings together AI-related expertise from CVSSP, computer science, mathematics, with its domain expertise across various disciplines, for example, engineering and physical sciences, law and regulations, business, finance, art and social sciences, and human and animal health. So we are flattening the research gap within university to come together to solve problems which are human-centric. This is where one side of AI being explored within the institute, where AI for sustainability is explored, and the other side where we are concerned with how efficient these AI models are. So AI and sustainability is one of the key strategic research challenges within PAI, and alongside with Institute for Sustainability, where Dr. Eric is leading that program, and soon he's gonna explain what we are doing within Surrey. So all these together leads to this topic title, this topic workshop, AI and sustainability, our people-centered approach. And from personal interest, where we work on sound and AI. So in the project within AI for Sound, which is led by Professor Mark Plumbley, where we have a bunch of design researchers and machine learning researchers alongside research engineers, where the focus is to design sound-based AI technology to explore home and workplace well-being. And the approach within our project starts from people itself with participatory approach, where design researchers do communication with users, stakeholders to drive the research agenda. And then as a machine learning researchers, research engineers, we come up with efficient technological solutions. So this is how this motivation from personal interest and university's global aim, we put together this workshop theme. And alongside Institute for Advanced Studies workshop grant, where we could grab some funding from that, and coming all together at one platform to organize this workshop. So this workshop gonna feature experts from industry and academia, from various fields, from machine listening side, from smart energy side, from business perspective and healthcare, and from industrial perspective as well. So on behalf of the University of Surrey, I welcome all speakers to this workshop. And we're going to follow roughly 4 sessions where each session has 2 or 3 presentations, followed by coffee break and having networking session in terms of post-presentation discussions within that break. And in the end, we're going to have a panel discussion on AI and sustainability, research priorities, challenges, and opportunities in general or in academia in general. So on behalf of everyone, I welcome all the participants online and in person for this workshop. Thank you very much for coming. Yeah. So now